Welcome all, Abhilash here. So this is the session 2 on the major problems of Indian economy. So in this sessions we are going to discuss on unemployment and population. So unemployment. The main reason for low level of income of the majority of the Indian people is unemployment and underemployment and the concern low productivity of labor. Low labor productivity implies low rate of economic growth, which is the main cause of poverty and inequality of the large mass of people. So all our major problems are related to each other. So in fact, inequality, poverty, unemployment are unrelated. I just told you. Since sufficient employment could not be created through the process of planned economic development, it was not possible to create the income level of most people. So various ways for generating employment. The various way for generating employment opportunities both in rural and urban areas are as follows. Education and healthcare sector can create massive employment in urban as well as rural areas. Proper planning is required to strengthen this section. So allied activities like horticulture, pisciculture should be promoted through financial assistance awareness programs which will create employment in rural areas. So promotion of small scale industries and self-help groups will create a scope of employment in urban areas. So nowadays you have seen how the central government is promoting the MSME groups, how they are offering the loan service and many things to create a more employment in India that can help to grow of Indian economy. So every region has potential for increasing the income and employment for people in that area by promoting tourism, business craft of the area and by introducing new series like IT. So social safety net programs like Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2006 and Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission uh, like like generate massive employment in rural and urban areas respectively. So there are many government social activities running in rural areas like Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee, Manrega, and Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Missions, which are creating a massive employment and helping rural families to get good income source. The point, the fourth major problem of Indian economy is population. Both domestic and global population growth is adding to conflicts over water, energy, food, open space, and wildness. Transportation infrastructure, schools, rooms, numerous other problems we are facing due to the huge populations which are increasing in India. So we have a good birth ratio and we have a low death ratio. So due to this, we are facing population problem. In developing countries, large family size is a major cause of poverty and poor health. So no country has graduated from developing status to developed status in the last 60 years without first reducing population growth. Yet projections for population growth through 2050 are being increased as funding for family planning has been reduced over the last 15 years by many governments. Three major population problems in India: rapid growth of population. We know that in the spite of many attempts to check population growth, the birth rate is still high, but the death rate is being checked because of the development and extension of medical facilities. So family planning is not practiced sincerely on the large scale, especially in the rural areas. This situation has resulted into large population of youth along with the aged who are dependent on relatively small workforce of the population. The large proportion of young populations put great pressure on the available medical, educational, and other social amenities. It is estimated that due to the rapid population growth, 55 million people are homeless and 170 million people have no access to safe drinking water. Gender composition according to the census 2011 national sex ratio. So national sex ratio is about like female for 1000 males is 940. So there are 1000 males as compared to the female is 940. So most countries in the world have more women than men, but India and some South Asian and East Asian countries differ. Female mortality is higher than in these nations. So this has resulted in there being more men than women in India, and the sex ratio is lower than 1000. Expect in states Kerala and Pondicherry. So Kerala is having 1084 females compared to the 1000 males, and Pondicherry is also having 1083 females compared to 1000 males. So India is one of the few countries where the child sex ratio between age of 06 has been declining. The third major reason, the third reason is poor standard of living and malnutrition. So standard of living in a country is also affected by its population. In India, there is a great shortage of nourishment, especially that of balanced diet. So there are people we have seen on they are living on the street, they are sleeping on the street, they are not having the food, they are not having the proper food, balanced diet, right? So poor, that is the poor standard of living. The standard of living is low, housing conditions are often very poor, which lead to the health problems such as deficiency diseases. The ignorance of a people in inadequate medical facilities and lack of financial resources come in the way of improving the housing and health conditions. So in this session we have just discussed unemployment and the population. In the next and the last session of major problems of economy we will be having transport and foreign trade points. So thank you and best wishes.